back to another video. I'm so excited. Today we are going to be doing a hair review. We're going to be doing a wig review from a wig from Amazon. I think I'm going to do my makeup first just because it would take forever and I don't want to be, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do my makeup. I have some soup cooking. I'm in Dallas right now, so it is snowing. Come on, I'll show you. So anyway, guys, I am going to do my makeup, eat some soup with Ruby. It's snowing today. If you guys saw that last video I did when we were actually snowed in Texas the last time, I think it's quite a bit different. We still have power, we still have heat, everything is much better. So today we're gonna be doing a little wig review, so yeah, come along. Hello guys, welcome back. So I have beat the face. The glasses are off. I think we'll be okay for today because I have my lashes on. So like I said, today is a wig review, so we're going to be reviewing this wig today. It says only for you, so cute, and it comes in this package. Okay, so I thought it was gonna have its information on here because it says follow us online. So if I find their information, I linked it in the last video, but it comes with a brush. All right, so this is the wig itself. Comes just like this. And then it comes with a bag. I have been really, so I was struggling for a while with having so many wigs and like trying to figure out how to keep up with them without mannequins. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it comes with a regular wig cap, a nude wig cap, a brown wig cap at that, one that actually matches my skin tone very well, and then a netted wig cap, which is the one I already have, and then it comes with these earrings. These are so cute. But yeah, in keeping up with my wigs, I've been doing it with the bags that they come with, so this is really great. So this is the hair. Let's take it out. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, it's stuck on my nose, right? Oh, there we go. The other day I was doing something and I just ripped the whole nose ring out of my nose, didn't even realize it. Okay. I wish I hadn't had to put it down because now I don't know where the front is. So I know it has bangs. Okay, so yeah, it goes like this. And this is what it looks like. All right, let's try it on together. All right, you guys. So here the wig is. Let's put her on. Okay. So remember, I have a wig cap on under here, so don't worry. The mess that is my hair is contained. Contained. You're welcome. Could I rock the bald look? I already did the bald look, and not that it was a disaster, but you know, it sucks when you do the bald look, but then you also go bald. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Exactly as I thought. Exactly as I thought. Yeah. No. Okay, let's work on this together. Okay. These are bangs, so these need to just be stretched. Wait a minute. Don't let this turn out. And I walk away from here feeling good. because right now I'm giving Annie, but let's just give her a couple seconds of our time to see if she is worthy of greatness. Yes, it's it. It's coming together. Okay. I wish my hair would grow like this naturally. Like, I wish this would be my natural curl pattern. It would be a lot easier to deal with. Under this wig cap here is enough to make grown men turn back, shriek in agony and fear, disgust, confusion, pain. Y'all, these people are driving through the snow, and it just could not be me. I have absolutely no desire to go anywhere. And that's really how I've made it through the pandemic. You all want to go out. All this time, I've just been wanting to stay in. Shake. I just feel like it should go back more. I don't know any other way to flip it. Like, if you had a pick, I'm sure that would probably be your go-to method. But I don't have a pick. Y'all know I have Ruby. I barely am lucky if I can find a comb. Okay, so I will say though, you see me, they're not long nails, but I am just kind of raking through it. There really aren't any knots or anything like that. The texture is pretty soft. I do like that it came already with the bangs cut, because if I had to cut them, we'd be in a situation. I'm just kind of scrunching them up. I feel like this is how I would have looked in like the 60s. Like if I was in Hairspray. Not with the glasses on, because with the glasses on, I don't know. This light is in my face. I can't see nothing. I don't know. I'm so sorry if I'm giving y'all cross-eyed, chaotic energy right now. All right, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. Let's give her like one more shake, just because this side is like giving me still slightly too far over. There we go. And then I'll do the same. Push that in front of my ears. Cause you're never fully dressed without a smile. When I was doing my makeup this morning, I did it, I mean, not this morning, but a few minutes ago, I did it listening to One Direction. Cause you've got that one thing so cute. Let me tell you something. If I was ever in one of those situations where it's like, sing for your life, that's the only band, only group in the world that I would be able to do it and not die. All right, here we go. All right, I guess that's as poofy as it's gonna get. I love it. I think it's adorable. It's very soft. It's very bouncy. It's light. As you know, I know you guys know there's like lots of things that you can do if it's too shiny for you, like, you know, put powder in it or whatever. But like I said, I ain't going nowhere. I'm a content creator. It's dark here. If you already have a little extra light for me, that's brilliant. That means when I am going through these photos, that means when I am going through these photos, I have a little less worry because my hair is already popping and shining, okay? But yeah, what do you guys think about this hair? I think it's very cute. I think it'll be cute for Valentine's Day because I want to do a lot of like Afro kind of pictures, just because self-love in general. Maybe pull out a pinup thing, you know, like one day I'm working at home or something. It's like, oh yeah, you know, whatever. Let me see if we can do a, because you know me, I love a good side part. So you could do a side part, kind of, but you'd have to definitely customize it, and I wouldn't recommend you like leaving with the side part. Like for a picture or so, like I could probably get away with this, like if I just made sure to edit and watch it, you know, because this is, I can't never, this is a mini rant, I'm so sorry, but I will never be a baddie. You know, in the social media thing, I'm like, you know, I really want to up my baddie. I want to be a baddie, da 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 da, because those are the baddies. The baddies grow on social media, and I'm just not a baddie. I'm just not a baddie. I went there to find a bomb shirt, a shirt that said like, what's up? I will never be a baddie, I guess. It's all right. You know, the world needs as many dorks as it can get, because, you know, where's the fun and excitement gonna come from if it didn't have any dorks? All right. I'm gonna go check in the big mirror just to make sure that I don't look crazy just because I'm blind. And then I will wrap this video. All right, the mirror has confirmed that I do not look as bad as I feel I look. So I think I look pretty good then. It's a snowy day, Ruby and my soup is done. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was short, quick, simple, to the point, not wasting anybody's time. And if you enjoyed that and maybe got a little love, how about you drop me a little love and subscribe. Join the KJ Butterflies. We'd be happy to have you. As you can see, we're dorky, we're quirky, and all things in between, radiant and unique always. And over here, we inspire each other to love each other and to love ourselves. Most importantly, we practice self-care and mental health, most importantly of all. I'll be filming another video later today about the importance of mental health in the way of manifesting, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go on and upload this and eat my soup. So I'll see you guys in a minute. But until then, so long. Bye guys.